They look nice. Turbo Microfiber. Are you kind of a clean freak? I am a clean freak. I was asked to test these Turbo Microfiber Pads for the Swiffer, and of course I said yes. These things are pretty amazing. I am not easy to impress, and you know I give honest reviews on my channel, but these things are great. I highly recommend them. The quality looks really good. They're sewn quite well. It's got the fuzzy bottom. Velcro to go around the mop head. Let's try these out. I have one of the older Swiffers. So we should be able to take this, place it in here. Let it loop around. And that's a nice fit. So I'm putting them on, hold back the two pieces with the Velcro, plant it there, put that flap down, secure, and secure. Nice fit. The green even matches. Look at that. Nice touch. So just using it on dry, it seems really secure. I'm just going to spray some spick and span antibacterial cleaner around this area here, this in front of the dishwasher. See how this does. Nice. This thing works great. It's tight. It's not wiggling around. It feels a lot more solid than the disposable type. See how dirty my floor is. Yep, you can see some of the stuff it picked up. It probably wasn't too dirty because I just cleaned it last week. But yeah, this works great. Throw these things in the washer and the dryer, clean them. I received two. If you want to, you can code one for the kitchen and laundry areas, or one for the bathroom areas. You can code one for dry mopping only, one for wet mopping only. You can code one for anything you wanted to. You got it on top of here if you want to keep them separate. This is a lot more sanitary for people who go in and clean other people's houses. You could put a new one of these on for each client and not spread germs from house to house. These are real. I'm very impressed. I am a family consumer science teacher, home ec, and I'm always trying to teach my kids more effective and efficient ways to do things. And we're definitely going to be putting in a purchase order to get some of these to use for the kids so that they can clean up the classroom, the labs in the classroom. Very nice. When I wash mine, I'm going to put mine in a lingerie bag. I always do that for things so they don't get twisted up or torn up into the when the washing machine. Then I'm also safety pin mine up so that things don't come out. But my theory is that putting it in the lingerie bag is still going to get it clean, but it's going to keep the Velcro from attaching to anything else that might start degrading the quality of the Velcro. Because once the Velcro goes on something, well, it's not easy to use anymore. So I think that's going to be a good laundering solution. And I don't put fabric softener with my towels. I haven't found anything that I don't like about these Turbo Mop Pads. They're easy to put on. They're super easy to use. As you can see, they're not slipping, they're not sliding. It's cleaning my floor like a dream. They're easy to take off. And I'll show you in just a moment the laundering procedure that I used and how great they looked when they came out of the laundry. These things are really, 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 really awesome. Worked great. Didn't come off, didn't slip, didn't slide. Cleaned my floor. Laundry care, machine washable, permanent press dry, 80% polyester, 20% nylon. Don't use fabric softener on it. Into the dryer. Good as new. Holds up great in washing and drying. These things are fabulous. Thanks for watching. If you look in the text below, I'll give you a link about how you can get your own microfiber replaceable heads for your Swiffer. And remember, it's free to like, subscribe, share this video if appropriate.